I think everybody is a numbers guy. I think you know what's going on, and numbers are always relevant and on top of everybody's mind these days. So that's the truth. There's nothing you can do to run
So
away.
there are lots of WhatsApps that कल 12-2 बजे होंगी about कितना हुआ है, कैसा हुआ है, how is it going, how is it trending, वो सब होता है.
ऑलरेडी शुरू हो जाता है ना वो, जैसे आप एडवांस बुकिंग खोलते हो
Correct.
वो शुरू हो जाता है. फिर बुक माई शो पे हाउ मेनी टिकट्स पर आवर यू आर सेलिंग, वो सब एवरीबॉडी नोज.
Which by the way, advance book is doing very well. The director.
हमारे डायरेक्टर सबसे ज्यादा नॉटी थे. Yeah, I think none of us actually beat him. He's just full of energy and just he has this thing about himself that he makes everyone feel like a unit and everyone just feels really easy. And the kind of film that we were making was just happy and it needed that energy. And I think he just got the chill in everyone. And also emotional happening, he'd be the first one to cry.
Really?
Yeah, he would just.
You saw homie cry?
No, he would just be like coming and
Maybe
saying.
just didn't like the shot.
No. I don't think that is. He's just a very emotional person. So.
And he's really reliving Cocktail again because उसके लिए obviously you know.
वो इतना इमोशनल है कि वो आने वाला था यहाँ पे, वो भी यहाँ है, लव भी यहाँ है, डीनू भी यहाँ है, बट तीनों ने बोला हम बहुत इमोशनल है, तुम लोग जाओ संभाल लो. So they didn't.
नहीं वो स्क्रीनिंग को हैंडल कर रही थी, उसके बाद जो स्क्रीनिंग होने वाली
नहीं,
है.
actually because you know the technical team is working till the last minute, you know, to get the film and to take it in the best possible way to the audience. So I think they're all very tired, and now we're all going to see the film soon together, and we're all just very happy as a family to experience this film together. That's I think what we're very very excited about and looking forward to. Well, I think what's very nice इस फिल्म में बहुत अच्छी चीज ये है कि लोग कह रहे हैं कि यार they are loving to see me with Rashmika and with Kriti, and I think that's always a huge compliment to all of us कि वो decide नहीं कर पा रहे हैं who they are preferring and this and that, and all those kind of things are very nice because actually you want to have the best chemistry with your co-stars. In fact, people are talking about their chemistry also a lot, which was not expected, but it's great. Thank you guys. Any chemistry works, we're very happy to take it. So I just love the fact that people are enjoying seeing us three together, and I think for me that's the biggest compliment because ये film सबकी है, ये किसी एक इंसान की नहीं है. So to get love, that people feel that these people are together and they're fun to see and they remind us of our moments with our friends and stuff like that. So those are the best compliments.
And the best compliment that you received, Rashmika, from your close ones. There were either one or two lines you realize if this person has liked it, yeah, that means it's really working.
Personally, I feel like the best compliment that I've gotten for Diya or Cocktail 2 is that it's very different from anything else that I've done so far.
Yeah.
And also, I think, like we've always said, it's a very virtual summer time kind of film, and that's exactly what some of my friends said. They're like, we're so excited for Cocktail 2 because it just feels like we've just been stimulated by watching such really intense kind of films, and suddenly when you give us something
like
so
refreshing,
refreshing, then it's something that we were craving for, and you're giving us that. So that was one of the best compliments, I think.
I think we all love that. पहले तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाए यार.
I say that you were talking, and in the middle of your conversation, he's turned to me. He's like, "Your hair is looking amazing today. What have you done?"
So
Shaving over
good.
here.
क्या नहीं बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं आज इसके बाल.
Yeah, you also can, there are only 1 or 2 stars who can actually talk about their hair. बाकी सबकी जब हमारी उम्र के हो जाते हैं तो then we don't have that hair also. We have to take it up. So Shahid, you also fall in that category of great hair. But yeah, जोरदार ताली हो जाए. I'm not such muted.
तो ना ये मैं बॉम्बे लेके जाने वाला हूँ आपको. मैं यहाँ पे ज्ञान भारती में पढ़ा हूँ तो मुझे ना मेरे स्कूल याद आ जाता है. सब 1 by 1 क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे. हाँ चलो फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट हैंड अप करो.
Okay.
कहाँ गए थे हम? मैं तो पहली बार मिल रहा हूँ आपसे. ज्यादा फेमिलियर मत होइए.
पाठशाला फिल्म.
I love you sir, I remember you every time.
चलिए.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ ब्रो, कृति से कुछ पूछ ले.
इसलिए मैंने कहा शाहिद, Kriti, and now of course Rashmika. But no, Rashmika, of course, because you have a great record with music also.
Okay, I don't remember the first questions, but the answer to the second question is, I feel like today the audience, like all of you, should tell us what is your favorite song, because for us this is our baby, so we love them all the same. And there are a lot of songs in the film that we probably haven't heard, or I don't know, but I haven't heard, so I'm very excited to watch it tonight.
तो कौन सा फेवरेट है आपका? माशुका. माशुका के लिए हैंड रेज करो.
I like all the songs. Huh? You can't put me in a spot right,
Right now, Bandhu 2 is on our minds.
But say, what was the first question?
What are you most excited for the audience to experience tomorrow? As you're saying, you're looking forward tonight to watch it as well. But what are you most excited for the audience to experience tomorrow?
I think for me the most exciting thing would be you get to see Ali, Kunal and Dia in their element, which means you're just going to see a lot of chemistry amongst these three characters and their friendship. And the film is one of those films which is important right now in terms of, like we said, it's a breath of fresh air, right? Like, I feel like it's a perfect time for a film like this to release, and I'm very curious. I need to see the film first to tell you what exactly, but from what we've shot, it's just too special, and you'll see it why.
Ali is actually very different from me. I think मैं एक overthinker हूँ. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सोचती हूँ. Engineer हूँ तो logic बहुत ज़्यादा important चीज़ है मेरे लिए हर चीज़ में. ये सर हिला रहा है क्योंकि 2 फिल्में कर चुका है. And Ali एकदम opposite है. वो बिल्कुल नहीं सोचती है. She doesn't really care. She is in the moment. I think जो बहुत rare quality है. हम ज़्यादा future के बारे में सोचते हैं या past के बारे में सोचते हैं. वो आज की है. So वो आज में ज़्यादा रहती है और वो बहुत ही liberated और बहुत unhinged है. क्या?
Unhinged है, मैं सुन रहा हूँ सब तू जो बोल रही है.
Yeah, and this is how she's very different from me. उसका moral compass भी बहुत ही अलग है मुझसे.
Is there any similarity between you and Ali?
I also feel that she's an empath at the core of her. I feel like that is something that I really connected because I feel वो जितना दिखाती है कि हाँ I don't care and I'm in my own world and all of that, she really is someone who genuinely cares and she gives a lot of love to everyone she meets. So I felt like the empathy part of her I kind of connected with.
Thank you so much.
Beautiful mixture of Ali and Dia. Because, like, example, if we were on a holiday, someone was asking me this very recently, if they were like, who is like the character, when you go on a holiday, who is the one who plans, who is the one who, searches for the restaurants and stuff. I think Kritsu will be the one who's planning. You think
Bro,
so?
I'm very bad at planning. You're very bad at planning.
Because I feel like
She wants the guy to plan, so then she can complain about the food. See, ये कहाँ ले आए?
hey, we're
Not at
in
all.
friends.
बिल्कुल.
Not at all. But I do like
But you're an
people
empath, so you
planning.
feel bad for the guy. हाय बेचारे को बुरा लग
But
रहा होगा.
are you someone who likes to know what you're doing in the day?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be searching for where to go. अभी कहाँ खाना खाएं, भूख लग रही है, पता नहीं किधर जाना है. So that I like, if we know. I like to know at least what are the best places to, to go and to have
Eat and
food to
stuff
eat.
like
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
What do you think? Like about you, about
All I'm
Kritsi?
thinking right now is तुम दोनों एक दूसरे को इतनी अच्छी तरह भी नहीं जानते. शायद मैं तुम दोनों को बेहतर जानता हूँ.
But I like the fact that
करने चाहिए, तू ही कर ले. That's
he
what I'm
was
saying tonight.
Kriti, does anybody else ever call you
Yesterday he
Kritsu?
was saying
We'll for
my
tonight
close
it's the
people-
firecracker.
My close people, my team call me Kritsu. I think
Kritsu.
she also picked it up from there.
Oh really? I thought you came
I
up with
call
it.
her Rashu in fact.
Okay.
Yeah.
Since we're all living out Shahid, what do they call you Shahu?
हाँ?
Did they call you Shahu?
नहीं मेरे को ऐसा कुछ मिला ही नहीं
अच्छा अभी
ना.
तक नहीं मिला है?
ए तू इधर आ.
No, I call him Shahid and कभी-कभी समझ नहीं आता कि शाहिद बहुत लंबा लग रहा है तो मैं SK बोल देती हूँ. But guys, give some.
How new and original?
Give
Nobody's called me
some
either of those
nickname, no,
before.
for see it's SK and it's KS, so it's like that.
Where did this happen that I saw something and you said it's not SK, it's not
On some prompter.
something na prompter yeah.
इतनी अलग stories.
You guys want to take the first one because the second one is
I find
specially
the
for me.
second one more interesting, so I
Special.
think maybe take the second one.
No, say something na about the first cocktail.
But just coming on, it comes with a legacy, obviously, right? So you're walking into that.
आज के टाइम में ना there are very few films that are celebrating friendship. पहले ज़्यादा फिल्में होती थी ऐसी and I think that I found that very refreshing and I also felt that Cocktail 2 takes the energy and the vibe of Cocktail 1 but the story, the characters are completely different and while it is so much fun and so modern and it will take you on a summer holiday, it says something which is very relevant and very relevant to today's generation and how we perceive relationships and friendships. So that's what my takeaway was and I was really excited to join the cast.
My special question: how it was working with both these beautiful Beautiful, beautiful. Twice you said beautiful. What did you say? Beautiful, beautiful. So beautiful, beautiful. Lucky me. No, had a great time. It's not, it's about working with, first of all, with professionals, working with good people, working with collaborative actors, working with talented people who will bring some value on the table and surprise you with what they can do. And all these qualities both these girls have full on. They are in the prime of their career, doing so well. And what I actually really enjoyed on this film was that I saw zero competitiveness between these two girls. Zero. And I think that's the biggest compliment that can be given in such a
I think that
competitive
deserves a round of applause, yeah?
Seriously. No, but it's true. It's true, actually.
The
कभी कभी
cliches.
मैं ज्यादा competitive हो जाता हूँ, ये दोनों compete ही नहीं कर रही थी. They've been amazing. They've done this film with so much confidence. They are so self-assured, and they are so happy to come together and discover and not be competitive. It's really beautiful, and I love that about both of them.
All too easy for you.
No, it's not about easy, sometimes it's just about doing the right thing for the right song. And this, Homito doesn't like anybody dancing in his songs. He's like, people don't dance in real life, why should you? तो थोड़ा सा बीच में उसने हमें नाचने दिया.
People don't dance like you.
Yeah. No,
People
even,
dance.
even like y'all. Normal people don't dance like any of y'all.
Yeah, see.
Please.
But my favorite song, right now I'm tripping on Bandhu 2.0 because that's the one that just came out, and I'm very happy that we got a chance to do a fun version of it. We didn't take it too seriously. Of course, Mashuka is everybody's favorite, so I'll say Tujhko because like Rashmika, I also love all the songs in the album. So I'll say Tujhko because I think that's the heart of the film. I feel like the songs that are in the film and go with the story, like Mashuka, I think is what Ali and Kunal all. इसको वल्ला अच्छा लगता है यार, तो तू बोल दे ना वल्ला. वल्ला बोल, वल्ला बोल, वल्ला बोल.
Valla is also nice. So we'll say 111.
And also Instagram बहुत push करता है, depend करता है, right? Sometimes when the reels pick up हो जाती हैं.
Home version of the original cocktail. I think इस वाली में थोड़ा ज़्यादा हिंदुस्तान है, and I really love that about this one. So I felt that it was a fresh take, being made in a fresh manner. And I felt कि if people give it a real chance, because आजकल पहले ही cancel हो जाती हैं चीजें, I feel if people give it a real chance, I think this is like they're saying it's a very happy film, और हम काफी dark film में देख रहे हैं. And I was also happy to be a part of a film where you can just make people smile and laugh, and I felt it when I heard the film, and I felt it much more when I did the film. So those are my feelings regarding Pressure.
Now you obviously know, Kriti, you all know who it is.
No.
No.
No one you know, so it doesn't matter.
So no one we know, so that's good, okay. Okay, I'm going to call you at
No.
2 a.m.
Yes, no.
Wait.
No. Yeah.
They said बस आ जा.
Rapid. I
रुक
hyper
जा.
rapid.
मेरा सवाल खत्म होने से पहले.
Just what?
अच्छा.
Okay, yeah.
दो closest friends किसको बुलाएगा रात को 2 बजे? 2 बजे. Snacks लाने हैं.
मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना, फिर से बोल.
दो closest friends 2 a.m. friends तेरे कौन है?
2 a.m. friends?
हाँ, if you have to call it home.
मैं सो रहा हूँ. Don't call me at 2 a.m.
Okay, next. कुणाल का biggest red flag क्या है फिल्म में?
है ही नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. यही उसका रेड फ्लैग है.
अरे
बहुत ही अच्छा है.
ये सब
यही
अभी
उसका
फिल्म
रेड
देख
फ्लैग
के
है.
पता चलेगा.
नहीं तो
कैसे
मैं
पता-
handle कर
advance
लूंगा.
बता रहा हूँ. Okay, रुको.
मैं हैंडल कर लूंगा.
If Kunal had one rule for friendship, what would it be?
Let's be friends.
Inverted commas वाला
मैं
friends.
इतनी जेनेरिक जवाब दूंगा कि फिल्म के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता चलेगा.
अच्छा ठीक है. कृति, Ali,
He's moved on. He's like ये कुछ नहीं.
ये कुछ नहीं देने वाला. Next.
you are the planner of the group. I mean, are you the planner of the group, or the reason the plan gets derailed in the film? Are you the planner of the group? या तुम्हारी वजह,
Planner.
हाँ planner, या तुम्हारी वजह से सब चौपट हो जाता है?
ये मैं दोनों करती हूँ. प्लान भी करती हूँ, चौपट भी करती हूँ.
अरे वाह. If your friends wrote an Instagram caption about you, what would it be for Ali? जल्दी.
These are my friends. Ask them.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है.
That's my answer.
One your bio में क्या लिखा होगा?
Alley cat.
Ali cat. Because the cat had 9 lives या क्या?
Just because of the dress she's wearing.
Okay. Okay, what's the most Ali thing that Ali does in the film? Most Ali thing that Ali does in Cocktail 2. जो तुम एक चीज ऐसे करती हो.
कपड़े पहन के कौन से होता है? वो वाला डायलॉग से वही बोल सकते.
अच्छा मुझे लगा तुम कपड़े. Okay.
हमें माफ कर दीजिए फिल्म का रिलीज. Don't judge us by this one.
ट्रेलर में डायलॉग है यार. वो डायलॉग वही बोल
Well
सकते.
done, well done. Last. Rashmika, ready now?
Very stressed.
Okay, इसमें क्या stress है? Have you seen the answers they are giving? There's no way that you can do worse.
We'll help you.
Diya,
We're all helping each
when
other.
life gets messy, what's your solution? Dance it out, scream or cry at the top of your voice.
Dance.
Dance?
Oh, as Diya, no?
Yeah, it's Diya. You can do it. Decide
What was
yourself
the
also.
second option?
Dance, cry, scream.
Scream.
Scream at the top of your voice. Okay.
Yeah.
दोस्त कितने important है दिया के लिए?
Dance and cry while screaming.
Or that.
चल तुम एक लास्ट आंसर कर दो. दोस्त कितने important है दिया के लिए?
She will do anything for her friends.
बस.
हाँ.
Love it.
Anything.
Alia, ladies and gentlemen.
Rashmika and me that, you know, it's now finally just going to be out there. The baby is going to be out there. It's going to be delivered for you guys to watch. And
बस यही बेबी पूरी दुनिया देखने वाली है. Normally babies जो होते हैं सिर्फ हमारी फैमिली देखती है.
Exactly.
So this will be slightly
Yeah,
different.
Yeah. But it's very, very special, this film.
Yeah.
And I think I'm also simultaneously feeling like, you know, when you're letting go of something and it's now going to be in the hands of the audiences, and with that, the nostalgia and the emotion of this family that I've had for the past few months, and just the energy of everyone that we've cherished. So I'm really also looking forward to watching the film with the team of Cocktail 2.
ये तो आज होने वाली है. That'll be amazing.
हाँ.
रश्मिका, let's have a big round of applause for her, है ना? The cutest superstar, box office का ठप्पा लग जाता है. You know, a lot of the times it's like a sportsman, you know, doing very well. लेकिन every time you step on the field, you have to perform over there. So then you have to forget कि पीछे क्या हुआ.